MIRAFLEX M8 New Flexo Printing Machine for New Challenges. Challenges in new packaging solutions are the reason for expanding the machinery. When choosing a specific technology and supplier, it was essential to meet the quantitative and qualitative requirements that are growing along with demand. That's why we made an investment in a Flexo printing machine from Windmaller and Holscher Group, the company that has already supplied several presses for the flexographic printing department. The new machine MIRAFLEX M8 is equipped with the latest software and hardware systems. Its installation at the department began in April, and together with the warranty tests it is fully completed. The machine should be in full operation from July. That will provide scope for fulfillment of the customer's most demanding requirements in flexographic packaging solutions. When selling high-quality foodstuffs in small volumes or launching of a new product with various flavors, there's always a dilemma for the customer to face: what sort of printing technology to use. Rotograver printing is splendid, but it is an uneconomic proposition in this case, and flexographic printing doesn't have a perfect drawing. A promising solution is an offset printing with EB, electron beam, curing system. Necessary time for printing forms preparation is considerably shorter comparing to rotograver cylinders and flexographic printing clichés. EB ink curing is fast, clean and energetically effective. The level of cross-linking is much higher by this way of curing comparing to the typical UV system, which is an important safety factor of a direct usage for foodstuff packaging. Since the photo initiators are not necessary, that the UV system requires, there's no threat of photo initiator migration into the food. Still, more and more of our customers find out the advantages of heptachrome offset printing with EB ink curing system. Although the offset printing technology is old, its connection with special inks, EB curing system and central drum brings a lot of new elements and possibilities. Still more companies on the market see the future in the production of the EB inks, which is a very optimistic discovery for future application and progress of this technology. There's no need to dilute the inks, subsequently solvent or water exhausting, which decreases energy requirements. EB system can in the future contribute to reduction of plastic amount in the packagings. Directing to mono structures will not require the use of a glue and two films, but only one film with highly resistant ink against sealing jaws and scratching during packaging process or manipulation.